Good morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. 95th Annual Laconia Motorcycle Week closes on busy day. A week filled with beautiful weather helped drive spectators to what turned out to be a successful 95th Annual Laconia Motorcycle Week. Organizers said the event generated $100 million for the state. On its final day on Sunday, the rally was still attracting large crowds, with Lakeside Avenue in Laconia still packed with motorcycles. Sanders travels to different motorcycle rallies across the country for work and said he made great money during the 9 days of Bike Week. Laconia police have had a noticeable presence throughout the week. The department said the number of arrests are about the same compared to recent years, but crashes are up about 36 total, which is attributed to larger than normal crowds. Organizers said the turnout surpassed their expectations. People traveled from all over the Granite State. Scenery did not disappoint them. Others took the opportunity to look into buying new bikes. Plans are already underway for next year's Bike Week, with organizers saying there will be much to look forward to these next few years leading up to the 100th anniversary. And that does it for my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.